Hi everyone, welcome to my Autodesk screencast. My name is Zan Ta and I work for Repro Products in Smyrna, Georgia. I am an Autodesk certified instructor and hold many certifications in multiple Autodesk products for the AEC industry. I hope you enjoy my screencast. If you'd like to see more of my screencasts, please search for VAR 2015, that's VAR 2015, or my name. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up after you watch it. In today's screencast, we'll be taking a look at the parts command in Revit 2016. Here I am in a 3D Revit model. If I go to the Modify tab of the ribbon, there is a command for creating parts. The way this functions is it allows you to break things apart and kind of dissect it, if you will, to make it more constructible. I'm going to head over to a top view and look at this slab. If I select it, I can divide or create. Since I've already created the part, it already shows it to there. So let's do this instead. Let's go all the way back to the beginning. If I select this, let's go to a top view, it's easy to see. I can click Create Parts. Once you've done this, you have the ability to divide the parts, exclude any parts that don't belong there, and obviously since it's structural, you can put in reinforcing. I can click Divide Parts. It goes into sketch mode and allows you to either create line work via sketch mode or use intersecting references like grid lines or levels to define its dissection. And let's just say hypothetically I put in all of the grid lines. You can see the grid lines where they cross horizontally and vertically on this will dictate and determine where this giant piece of slab is going to get dissected and cut up. I'm not going to do that. I don't really like that one. So let's go to grids and check none, hit OK. And in this instance, I want to sketch it. So I click Edit Sketch, and I can create the sketch lines that I want as long as they hit the outside edges of that dashed line work and basically dissect and break up this solid piece of slab into smaller pieces. These dividing lines that I'm working with, you can specify whether it has a gap or not. Let's say 0.5 inch gap. And well, actually, let's see, 0.25. And we can actually have a profile that's tied to it as well. They give you 3 to work with: angled step, notch, and notch depth. So I'm going to pick angled step for now. And with the angled step profile, you can specify how the edges match, whether it's complementary, mirrored, or rotated. You can flip that profile across, along or across the profile, and you can specify an offset if you need to. When you're finished, you hit the green check mark, and it will put in the line work and the definition information for the divisions. Hit the green check mark again, and you have now finished the command. And if I zoom in here, I can see that it's been cut up. If I go over here to the instance property of the view, by default it says show parts visibility is say show parts. You can say show original and it shows you the original. You can say show both and it shows you both. Okay? The default is show parts. If you need to, you can select this and you can exclude that from that parts division and it won't show up in your Revit model. This is, at the end of the day, this tool is used to help you build a more constructible model. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching my screencast on Revit 2016 and the parts command. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up.